Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue on your iPhone where you get the error performing request unknown. So the first thing we're going to do is force restart our iPhone. Now, if you have an iPhone 8 or above, then to restart your phone, what you need to do is press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. So once again, that's just quickly pressing the volume up button, quickly pressing the volume down button, and then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once your phone has restarted, then what you need to do is head over to your settings menu, come inside of the general tab at the bottom here, click on software update, and just make sure you're running the latest version of iOS. So if there is any pending updates inside of here, then you'll need to go ahead and install those now. Then once we've done that, we're going to head back over to general, back inside of settings, and scroll all the way to the top of the page. Next to airplane mode, just toggle this button on, and you'll need to wait 7 seconds and then turn this back off. And once you've done that, we're going to scroll back down to general, scroll all the way down to the bottom, transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset at the bottom and select reset network settings. Now you'll need to enter your passcode on your iPhone to confirm, and once your network settings have been reset, you can then check to see if that's fixed the error. If you're still getting the issue, then another thing that I'd recommend doing is removing your physical SIM card from your device, giving it a quick clean and making sure it's free from any dust or dirt, and then reinserting your SIM card back into your device. And the last thing you'll need to ensure is that you are not running a VPN. If you are connected to a VPN, then try turning this off. And this can also be another reason that you get this error message. Now, hopefully by following all of these steps, that's fixed the performing request unknown error. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.